And good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk here at Deuk Spine Institute in Florida. I'm here with a patient who learned about Deuk Spine Institute through racing. We had one of our sponsored drivers, Arias Deuk, my son, was on the circuit for many years, and this gentleman here got to know Arias and got to know our company. And when you had a problem with your lower back, you contacted Deuk Spine Institute. We did your laser surgery yesterday, and how do you feel today?
Amazing, I can say. It really felt like you took 80 something pounds out of my back. I feel like now I can sit down and walk a lot more normal.
And you can already tell a difference. It's just 12 hours later. Can you tell if the pain that you had is still there or is it gone?
I feel like it's gone. Probably a little soreness from yesterday, but I can say it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. We've been doing this a lot. We've done over 2,200 of these surgeries, the lasers, and the pain is gone and it stays gone, which is the good thing. Now, how long have you been dealing with back pain?
I can say between 18, 20 years, because
Wow.
I was told that when I initially got hurt, I was told that it was my sciatic nerve and there was nothing that we could do besides take medicine and therapies. I did it on my own, basically. Tried, and it went away, but it was constant work with constant pain. And then my type of work and being outdoors and motocross and mountain bike, it got worse through time until I couldn't walk.
And so you were told by doctors that there's no fix for it, and we hear that a lot. And that's why we do these testimonials, is to get the word out that you do not have to live in pain anymore.
Yeah.
If you have back pain, neck pain, leg pain, arm pain, come to Deuk Spine, we can fix it for you. So many doctors don't know how to fix it, unfortunately, and they tell patients they have to live in pain. I don't want people living in pain when it's fixable.
It's not necessary. Yeah.
Not necessary to suffer like that. So tell us about your experience yesterday. Was it good at the surgery center?
It was excellent. Honestly, since I met you and when I came here, I felt at home. Everybody super nice. I wasn't nervous at all. They asked me about my heart rate and it was below 50. It was pretty comfortable, honestly, to be here. I really appreciate all of you guys. The Institute, everybody here was excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, you had 2 discs that were herniated. The tear in the back of the disc where the herniation came out was what was causing your pain and your symptoms. And you can see in our video, I went in with the laser and I used the laser to clean the tears and get rid of the herniation. That way your disc will heal naturally now.
Awesome. Yeah, and I took no medicine. I honestly wasn't in pain at all, so I slept normal.
A lot of people say, oh, we do the video the next day, the patient still has medicine, but you don't have any medicine.
Oh no, I didn't take it.
And the medicine from the surgery is already gone. Very good. Is there anything else?
Fans, no, come see us at the racetrack, and no, just super appreciative of meeting you before and deciding, because it was difficult to trust somebody in the industry, and my decision of coming here and contacting you was very good. So we're just super thankful.
And I remember we met you were coaching Sebastian Montoya.
Yes, correct.
Right? Juan Pablo Montoya's son, Sebastian, who is now racing in Europe.
Yes, he's F2 now, and it was great competition between your son and us, and we got to see what your son could do, and it was difficult. It was nice competition, and I'll never forget you guys, because Arias was always so good. So it was a challenge to always go in and race. It's still fun. It's my passion, so I still go. Even though I was in such pain, I would still go through it. But
well, now you can enjoy it without pain. And you've got a long career ahead of you. You're going to help a lot of great drivers. I'm sure of it.
That's my goal. And so far, it's been good. So it's going to continue, because I was afraid that I was going to change everything because I couldn't really move. So it was sad.
It's a relief, huh, to get your back fixed.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Tomorrow I'll be at the racetrack.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, everybody. Appreciate it.
All right, you're welcome.